Hey, what's going on, you guys? Chad Christian from CWC Technologies, and I have an exciting video for you today. Today I'm going to be unboxing the God of War limited edition PS4 Pro version. This is the Leviathan Gray. You can see they did a beautiful job on designing this system. Definitely with the gamer in mind who is a God of War fan. Let me know if you like God of War in the series. On the back is this beautiful artwork. I absolutely love this artwork. I think I'm going to cut this out and use this as a poster because I think it looks that good. They did such a good job with this. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what's included so you guys can see what it comes with. So here it is. I'll set the box right here just so you guys can look at that. Make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. It really does help the channel. So you can see you've got your start guide. You've got your micro USB cable for charging the controller. Your power plug. Your HDMI cable. Your headphones, which are kind of janky, but if you don't have any, hey, it works in a pinch, right? One thing cool with the PS4 Pro version is that you can either run this game in high resolution, so 4K, which will vary between 30 and 60 frames a second, so they do not say that it's going to get 60 frames a second. Or you can run this in 1080 mode where you'll get a constant 60 frames a second, and they call that the performance mode, so pretty cool. Now this is the controller. What a beautiful controller. Just a very unique and cool designed system. And of course inside we've got the God of War game. Can't wait to see that. Oh, I've been waiting a long time for this one. Now also inside is you get a deluxe edition code, so make sure you don't throw that away. And that's probably right in there. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Now to me, that's the best looking PlayStation 4 Pro design I've ever seen before. Out of all the limited editions, this is beautiful. So that's the Leviathan axe right here. And this is all the skill trees that you can get in. Such a beautiful console up here on the front. You can see the nice design work they have, plus they have the two USB 3.0 ports. And you have your power input, a full HDMI, your webcam input, an optical input, another USB 3.0, and an Ethernet connection. That is beautiful. Can't believe how excited you get right over how something looks, but you know, every time you go to turn this on or you go to play your system and you look at it, you're gonna go, yeah, that is absolutely fantastic. I love the fact that Sony left us the actual physical copy of the game. Some of the games I do digitally, but the ones that I want to keep on my shelf, I love to have the physical copy. It just, to me, it feels like, you know, feels like you own something. And I really like that they did that. And most of the time they don't do that with the limited editions. You really only just get the key code and then you input it and it's just digital and you download it. So very cool. Kudos to you, Sony. Thank you very much for doing that. And that's going to do it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.